Good baby girl. So the nurse just checked me and I'm at a 3 on my own. So we're not gonna have to do the vaginal pills. I forgot the name of it, but they were gonna insert it in my vagina every 4 hours to soften my cervix. But since I'm already at a 3, my cervix is already soft. So we're gonna skip that and go to the next medication. It starts with a P. I'm bad with names, but it's gonna go in my IV and hopefully start contractions. I'm gonna go use the restroom.
Okay.
One quick question. So I unplugged that from there?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's make sure.
And then you said I can put them in any 2 down there, right?
Any 4.
There's 4 right here.
Oh.
Just whichever one you want. Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, yeah.
We'll get your pee pan.
Be quiet. Give me your pee pan. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I don't know how you gonna manage to pee without it.
That's why you going with me. You just turned back when I got pregnant, to be honest. Because I know it's the same thing.
You probably let us sit down.
I was like, dang. My butt just done. I was like, ooh. Well, you know, told some people exactly where to go.
First thing you gonna do is look at drugs over there.
Yeah. And go find some too. Oh, we gotta stick these in.
Yeah.
You gonna stick them in? So just leave them?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh! That hurts.
You tanned up something?
Am I?
Sound like it.
Ooh, that IV hurt.
Get my drinks. Jump over here.
Come on, bitch, get on it.
They figured it out. They had to go into the settings. But we phone charger. I don't think I need anything out of there. I think it's all in that leopard bag. So, boo, that's not leopard. The bag that you put in the closet. I need my camera.
See, that's why the other way, like us, we came on flat.
Just give me what I need. And my phone charger, please, sir. Thank you.
You should try. Yeah, so we can't try.
Well, I just got one. Can you put it in for me back there? Please.
You ain't got a closer place with it?
I guess I'm
Your arm
they
thing
don't.
is-
What thing?
Oh, never mind.
It don't fit over here. My extension cord.
We'll see.
So I just got my second dose of medicine. Oh, in my IV. And now I'm just waiting on the contraction. She said that once the contractions start getting too bad, let her know because it could take an hour for me to get an epidural. So still got the monitor on my stomach and just waiting to see.
This your teeth? This your baby?
I guess because it's up so high, I didn't really think it would be a bed. You finna test it out?
That's all right. I'm gonna put this sheet on it. I'm gonna set it.
I want you to lay on it so you can tell me if it's comfortable or not.
I'm not tripping. I'm just
That sound hard.
We good for my back.
It's firm.
Yep. That's perfect.
contractions are getting stronger, so I'm getting prepared to get an epidural. It is 12:55. I got the epidural, and then she just checked me, and I'm at a 5. And I have a, what is it, a urinary catheter in. Yeah. So we just waiting at this point. I feel more comfortable than I did, but so that's where we are. It is 5:39 a.m. March the 2nd. I was able to go to sleep from 1:45 till about 4:30. I just got checked and I'm at a 7. And the doctor hasn't broken my water yet. I think they're trying to wait for my doctor to come. My doctor, I think she'll be here at 7. Yeah, so I'm already at a 7. The contractions are like every 2 minutes, and I can feel them. So I will not be getting any more rest. That little almost 3-hour nap that I had is it for me. So now we just wait. I think I'm still at a 7. I haven't gotten checked. The contractions are like a minute and a half apart, and my back is hurting, and I'm in pain. I just want them to let me have her at this point. And I'm hungry. I just feel sick in my stomach. I don't know what it is. Oh. I actually think the contractions come in every minute instead of every minute. But anyways, that's the update. All right. Callie was born at 7:36, and she weighed 7 pounds and 7 ounces.
20 inches long.
And 20.5 inches long. And I'm currently breastfeeding her. Hoping that I can continue to do it. She look like she got freckles on her face, don't she, boo?
Yeah.
Yeah, she look like she got freckles. I don't know where the freckles came from. I'm trying to figure out on which side of the family the freckles came from, but she's here. Ooh, look at baby girl. We got a baby. We got a baby. So this is our room. That's like a trash thing, I think. Our little closet. We got a TV. I just put it on the refrigerator. I don't remember having a refrigerator last time we came. And then the chair is a recliner. And then this little couch over here is what Adrian's gonna sleeping on. Let's out into a bed. The noise y'all hear is Callie feeding. This is her little bed next to me. And then I have a little thing over here where I have her sound machine, my water, and then the doctors can like wash their hands in the back. Oh, so that's the setup. Y'all, believe it or not, this food is good. I got chicken fried steak, mashed potatoes, and this roll, and it's like really, really hot. This is macaroni and cheese. The macaroni and cheese don't look good like the crab, so I probably won't be eating that. But I've had this before, and it was really good. And then they brought me a bag of snacks. Like snacks that you actually pick. So I just got an apple. I already ate these. These were some cheese bites or crackers or whatever. What else I got in here? some little cookies, peanut butter crackers. Y'all saw the apple. Oh, and I think I got a granola bar. Yeah, and they gave me some yogurt that I put in the refrigerator. But y'all, this food be so good and so hot. So I know this lighting isn't the best, but this is all I have right now. I just wanted to share that I have been breastfeeding, and let me tell you, I just want to taste the macaroni. It probably ain't good, but so far so good. My nipples are sore, but they're not sore to the point to where I just want to give up like I did with Kim. And it's really like just like a latching thing, because when she's on, I can feel it and it's uncomfortable, but it doesn't hurt. But when she's just on my nipple, it hurts really bad. That's not good. Where you go?
Outside,
What it looking like?
coming from the west, so.
It's getting dark.
That way.
Oh. Breastfeeding is going. My nipples are really sore. I'm really tired. Just because it's really the only option, but I think I'm doing it right. I've had a lactation specialist come in like twice to help. I'll probably do it again today also, but she be on my boob like 45 minutes. Then she may be on there like an hour because my milk hasn't come in, so she's just getting the colostrum. But yeah, my boobs, oh my God, they hurt so bad. They hurt so bad. I know it's for a good cause. I'm just staying optimistic that I can keep it up, fingers crossed, and not give up like I did with Kim. But so like every 2 hours, so I'm really not getting that much sleep, because if she feeds, say from 12 to 1, then she goes back to sleep at 1:30. Then I try to go to sleep at 1:30. Then she already up at like 3, wanting to eat again. So that's the struggle right now. She is asleep. I'm gonna try to see if I can show y'all the little, what is it called? The little swaddle blanket that I got her. I got her name on it. So hold on. Here she go. Got her name on it. Oh, she turned around. Girl, why you turning around? Why you turning around, mama? But there she goes. Try to get her with her eyes open. Y'all, look how big these pads are. And then the stuff on the back, it really doesn't even stick. So you low-key have to try to hold the pad in place by yourself so blood won't get everywhere. And then they're so big. And then they gave me these, which I do not like. These little mesh pants, girl, this don't look like nothing. These are the ones that's not good. I hate these. They don't really even do anything. They barely hold a pad in place, okay? And then this is a Perry bottle, which is not a Perry bottle. This is like a water bottle. That's why I brought my own, because I knew it was going to be some foo-la-la with them. Oh, y'all, I'm so tired. I haven't been getting any sleep because Callie really hasn't been sleeping that much. My boobs are sore. Like, she may sleep for like an hour and a half or something. Then if she poop, she up. If she's ready to eat like every 2 hours. But we had to stay an extra day in the hospital because her jaundice levels were high, which Cam's jaundice was high as well. So I was a little nervous about that. The nurse said if you have one child who has like increased jaundice levels, then more than likely the second child will also. So they had to monitor that to make sure it didn't go over the threshold for treatment. Treatment is like light therapy, like you lay them on like a little light to help their pigment come in, because she's kind of yellow right now, like her pigment hasn't come in. And I'm thinking it's probably why she has the freckles on her face. I think the freckles are probably going to be the color of her skin, which the little freckles look so cute right now. So that was kind of nerve-wracking, but I think we have it under control. The doctor said we could go home today, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, in the hospital for 3 nights. I'm so tired, I just want to go home. So I don't think I ended the vlog right, but me and baby girl are at home, safe and sound. I'm really tired. I think I mentioned everything came back normal with her second or her third jaundice test. But yeah, so we're here. Team No Sleep, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I will be doing a birth story video just to give y'all more details on what really happened during my labor, because I was induced. However, I feel like I was not prepared at all for the induction and what it entailed. And I feel like I should have asked my doctor more questions from the beginning to get a better understanding. So be on the lookout for that. I haven't filmed it yet, but I do plan on filming my birth story. So just, if anybody's watching this and you're pregnant, make sure you have all the information before going into delivery, and make sure you research all the medication they're going to give you. So until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.